Indian government orders 10 million doses of Zydus vaccine to take a call on use for kids.
India is all set to get a fourth COVID vaccine in November, with the government placing an order for 10 million doses of Gujarat-based Zydus Cadela's three-dose candidate. Zycov-D vaccine has already been granted emergency use authorization for adults and children above 12, making it potentially the first to be administered to the adolescent population in India. Top government sources reportedly said that the needle free vaccine, which has demonstrated primary efficacy of 66.66% in phase 3 trials, will be made available within November, and final deliberations are being held to decide on its use among children. The center's move also paves the way for the use of the first COVID vaccine in the world to be developed on a DNA platform where the SARS-CoV-2 spike proteins are reproduced to create antibodies. According to sources, the COVID Standing Committee of the National Technology Advisory Group on Immunization, which is India's apex advisory body on immunization, is currently discussing two key aspects of the use of Zycov-D. First, NTAGI is looking for its use among adults. Approximately 700 million of the estimated eligible adult population of 930 million have received their first dose, and only a small group is left. NTAGI will take a call on which category in this group would be given the DNA vaccine. Second, NTAGI is in final deliberations to recommend this vaccine's use in the adolescent population. This vaccine should be available within this month of November after these two decisions are taken. Zycov-D, which uses the plug-and-play technology, has a DNA plasmid vector that carries the gene encoding the spike protein present on the surface of SARS-CoV-2, which causes the COVID infection. When the DNA plasmid is injected into the human cell, it enters the nucleus and reproduces spike proteins. In response, the human body generates antibodies. According to Zydus, its technology is ideally suited for tackling COVID, as it can be easily adapted to deal with mutations in the virus.